In this video, we'll provide a basic overview of the AAT, and then describe its features and some of the processes for using it. The AAT is a device that can measure and capture accurate alignment data when adjusting an antenna in the field. Specifically, the AAT measures azimuth, tilt, roll or plumb, and height by using the optional laser tape drop feature, which incorporates a separate laser rangefinder that attaches directly to the AAT. The AAT can be operated in two ways: the keypad on the front of the AAT or via the website built into the AAT. Either method can be used for the majority of the day-to-day functions of the AAT. Users can and should determine which method works best for them in any given situation. Some AAT features available through either the keypad on the AAT or through the website are the ones used to measure and capture or save the results of antenna alignments. These features include the ability to create target alignment data records, using the target alignment data at the time of measurement for comparison to actual measurements, capturing and/or saving alignment results. Most of the day-to-day work with the AAT is done using these three functions. The target alignment data record in the AAT is called a profile. A profile on the AAT is a data set that allows the user to enter the desired alignment target data. In other words, a profile contains the desired alignment values for azimuth, tilt, roll, and height. These alignment target values are typically provided by the customer as part of the documentation package for the work to be performed. There is one profile for each antenna to be aligned, so a site in the field that has one antenna to be aligned on each of 3 sectors would require 3 profiles. The AAT can create and store up to 256 profiles along with 512 sets of captures before any data needs to be deleted or moved off the unit. The most efficient way to use the AAT is to use the website to create profiles ahead of the actual tower work, like the night before or at the office. When you're on the tower, use the keypad to select the antenna profile you're working on, make the required adjustments to the antenna measurements, and then capture and save the results. Later, reports can be generated from the website on the AAT, and then submitted to the customer showing the results of the measurements taken. Note that while profiles can be created from the keypad or website, data entry through the website is easier and more efficient. Creating profiles from the keypad is handy when you're at the worksite and just need to make small changes. This example shows the New Profile screen on the AAT's internal website. Although only 3 fields are required to create a profile, you should always fill out the New Profile form as completely as you can in order to make a good report for your customer. The AAT minimizes repetitive data entry by having a feature to create a new profile from an existing one. When using this feature, all the data is copied over to the new profile and only the fields that need to be changed, usually only sector, azimuth, and sometimes antenna position, are updated. Then, the new profile can be saved, eliminating having to re-enter all the same data. Once you have created the profiles for the work you plan to do, the general process for doing the actual measurement is: make sure to securely tether the equipment, select mount and attach using proper mounting procedure, select the profile for the antenna, read the measurements of the alignment on the AAT, adjust the antenna to the desired alignment, capture the results for reporting later. You should review additional training videos or documentation to fully understand the details for each of these steps. An AAT feature that is sometimes useful is the measurement mode, which can be selected from the main menu on the AAT using the keypad. This is the simplest use of the AAT and allows a user to view measurement data by pushing a couple of buttons. This feature shows the measurements to be used. Depending on your customer's requirements, this may be all the functionality you will need. The AAT can produce alignment reports for an entire site or for an individual antenna. The reports contain the site information, the target alignment values, and the actual measurements captured. The reports are formatted to allow easy printing or saving as PDF files. Refer to the detailed training video segment on making reports for more information. This concludes the basic overview of the AAT and its features and processes. You should also review the AAT component overview video to further familiarize yourself with the tool.